Simplifying fractions, a dive into the greatest common divisor, GCD. Hello, language learners. Today we're taking a trip into the world of fractions, specifically to learn about a vital part of understanding and simplifying them, the greatest common divisor, GCD. The greatest common divisor, GCD, also known as the greatest common factor, GCF, is the largest number that can exactly divide two or more numbers. In terms of fractions, it's the largest number that can divide both the numerator, the top number, and the denominator, the bottom number, without leaving a remainder. The GCD plays a crucial role in simplifying fractions. Why is simplifying fractions important? Because it helps us to express fractions in their simplest form, making them easier to understand and work with. By finding the GCD of the numerator and denominator of a fraction, we can simplify it down to the most basic form. Finding the GCD might seem complicated, but it really isn't. Let's break it down. 1. List the prime factors of each number. Prime factors are the prime numbers that have only two distinct positive divisors, one and itself, that divide a number exactly. 2. Identify the common prime factors. Look at the lists you made for both numbers and find the prime numbers that are common to both lists. 3. Multiply the common prime factors. The product of these common prime factors is the GCD. Don't worry if you don't get it at first, it's all a part of learning. Let's try finding the GCD with a practical example. If we take the fraction 18/24, 1. The prime factors of 18 are 2, 3, 3, and the prime factors of 24 are 2, 2, 2, 3. 2. The common prime factors are 2, 3, 3. Multiply these together and we get 6. So, the GCD of 18 and 24 is 6. And that's it for our introduction to the greatest common divisor. With the knowledge of how to find the GCD, you'll be able to simplify fractions with ease. It may seem tricky at first, but with practice, you'll master it in no time. Always remember, the key to learning is persistence. See you in the next lesson.